That was long. My brows always stay snitching. Always. Like anytime I just want to walk down the street and I'm like, oh, let me just do my makeup, brows. My brows will be on point. But whenever I just bring out my camera, let me do a video or have somewhere important to go to, that is the day that all the brow demons will wake up. I don't even mind. I'm loving you. Girl, I don't even mind. My baby, loving you. Hello my dolls and welcome back to my channel. But if this is your first time stopping by, hello darling, how you doing? You are welcome to my channel. So in this video I'll be showing you all how I created this very glam look if I do say so myself. So you guys stay tuned and keep on watching. So I'm going to take my Eco Styler, what's it called? Eco Styling Gel. Ooh, boy, the food I ate since hasn't digested. Like, it's literally just down my throat. Any small picking, I'm just vomiting straight. Alright, this is it off. Next I will start working on my face. So you guys, how is your day coming along? Here in Italy it's 12:47 a.m. so it's already Christmas. Merry Christmas to you all. What are you doing at the moment? What time is it where you are? Because I know I have people watching me from US, Italy, UK, Nigeria. So let me know what time it is where you are. What's your plans for today? I'm going to be using the Morphe 3502 palette, and I'm going to be using the P. Louis base in Rumors 02. This is a very good eye primer. So I'm taking that shade. I'm not going in swiping motion. I'm just going to pack that around my brow bone area. With this primer, you don't want to start swiping immediately. Trust me, when you start swiping immediately, it becomes muddy because the concealer is still a bit tacky. So once you're just mixing the eyeshadow and the primer together, and your colors won't pop. Rather, it just look very, very muddy. Trust me, I've been there before. So the first layer of eyeshadow needs to go down in a patting motion. Next, with this Sigma E38 brush, I'll go in with this really bright orange. We've gotten, this placement, you can then start blending it out. So to really intensify that color, I'm going to pick up this, it's almost a red shade. This one. I'm going to pick up this color just to intensify my eye look. So you just keep packing, keep building the color, keep going in. So basically you're going to pack, blend. So I'm going back in with my first brush. I'm just going to slightly sweep around the edges of this color. So for the black, I will use a cream eyeliner as a base because I want the black to be really, really smoky, and go in with just black eyeshadow. Sometimes with these cheap eyeshadows, you won't get the intensity you want. So I will use a black eyeliner to help me get that intensity. So I'll go back in with that concealer and cut my crease. I'm filling my lid with this light gold. So
I'll be using is this one from Certify, and this is not the original container. I have to turn it in here because I misplaced the cover to the original container. So it's a pure gold glitter, like 24 karat. That is what I'm gonna use. And of course the e.l.f. glitter primer. A tiny brush and reapply the black just round the edge. So did you see how that's like brought back the black we lost? Yes. So I'm done with both eyes. I'm just gonna head to apply my eyeliner. For my lipstick, I'm going in with Fenty Beauty Stunner Lip Paint. But I hope you enjoyed this look. If you did enjoy, don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up. Leave a sweet comment down below, and of course I'll see you all in my next one, God willing. Merry Christmas to you all, and see you in my next video. Bye guys.